Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to show you on how to fix a pixelated photo. And we will do again another magic here in Photoshop. So for example, I have here a cutie picture. I just grab it from Google because I want to show you on how to enhance this pixelated photo. For example, you have captured a picture and it's blurred and it's a low resolution and you want to produce it and print it in a big frame, so it will be really blurry and it will show some pixelated parts. So I'm going to show you, just bring it inside of Photoshop and let the magic happens. Okay, so let's try to zoom in. See, it looks really not nice. It's blurry and it's not clear, so we will make it smooth and clear. For a start, as I always say, always unlock your layer. Always unlock your main picture to edit. So let's go to image and then image size. Here I want to make the resolution the highest that I can give, because this one is really small resolution. So I want to give 300, for example, 300 resolution, and I want to change here by cubic smoother enlargement. See, now the picture zoom because it expand because I make it large. So I will zoom out a little bit. As you can see, it's now smooth a little bit, but we will add more clarity on it. Okay, so let's go to filter and then noise and then reduce noise. Here is the preview box, so I want to zoom out to see the effect. Okay, I want this two cute thing to be emphasized. So here we go. Here I want to add strength. Okay, and now it will show here. As you can see, it gives magic right away. I want to preserve details a little bit, reduce color more. Okay, you can see the effect here. So if I give more, and then it will show here, sharpen details a little bit, just like that. As you can see, it already happens, the magic. So now let's remove some JPEG artifact. And okay, ta-da! The magic happens. It becomes smooth and really you can produce it in a large frame. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Very basic, very easy, and it's very helpful at the same time. So as you can see, it becomes smooth and clear, and here I prepare for you the before and after photo. See, you can judge it from your own eyes. You can judge the result and how the magic happens in Photoshop. So guys, once again, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my channel, and please let's continue to learn and grow together. So please hit the like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, because learning is always our treasure that no one can steal it from us. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless us all. Bye-bye.